but my father doesn't care. There's my brother who gets stronger every breakfast, lunch and dinner, and my sister, oh yucky, who eats nothing but jelly. What a strange and crazy family. But my favorite one of all is my crazy Uncle Paul. Always sings, makes us fly, always jumps and jumps so high, often eats a dozen eggs, always dreams 2 gallons straight. Mr. Crazy in the family. I remember yesterday, we all had such a great day. When we went to the sea, all together we were free. Uncle Paul swam like a fool, played and ran, it was so cool. Great weekend with my family. Yes, I love and I love tea, my little crazy family. And we laugh and we run, all together we have fun. Mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousins together. Yes, I love my crazy family. Yes, I